Welcome to our video on why you should never plug a generator directly into a wall outlet and the safer alternatives you can use instead. Plugging a generator into an outlet, a practice known as backfeeding, is extremely dangerous. It can cause electrical fires, power surges, and even put utility workers at risk of electrocution. So, what's the safer alternative? The answer is a transfer switch. This essential device connects your generator to your home's electrical panel, ensuring safe, efficient, and controlled power distribution. For smaller needs, consider directly plugging your appliances into the generator using heavy-duty extension cords with the proper wattage rating. Always consult a licensed electrician for installation and follow the manufacturer's safety guidelines for your generator. A little extra care goes a long way in ensuring reliable and safe power during emergencies. Thank you for watching, and remember, safety first when it comes to your generator. If you are seeing this video for the first time, please click for more video notifications from Tickwell.com. Thank you.